about the track.
Yeah, he got 2 of them. Christian, you seen it?
We watched it one way. Said the track is trash.
Yeah, this track is trash. You don't need it. Need a motherfucking lid on it. That's the only thing it's missing. It need a lid on it. He said his partner was coming with the lid, but he missed his flight.
The track is trash.
Yeah, man.
I couldn't get my Honda.
He said I wouldn't even bring my motherfucking Honda on this motherfucker, man.
Shit, a lot of spinning.
Yeah, it was. They was spinning. They spend more over there than Yello Belly, I believe. But I mean, we is on a different caliber car, but still, they was doing a lot of spinning. Yeah, Trent got one on. Look out! I got these Lookout Racing hoodies going on sale, man. Got them nice. You can wash them and dry them, and the Lookout still be on there and everything at the end of the week, man.
How much are they?
What size is it?
Either large or extra large.
I got extra large.
How much?
30.
$30. I want to buy one.
I got the Lookout Racing hoodie. You ain't seen it? Yeah, they represent everybody at the Yello Belly. They've been representing. This is medium.
I'll give him them. Can you bring me one?
I got small and medium. Okay, so you need a small? All right, I'll go get you a small. And what size y'all want? Extra large? I got extra large too. Heck yeah. So small.
What is it, 30?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Gotcha.
Heck yeah, it's gonna go down, y'all. I'm gonna see if they need one. I'm trying to run out.
You're gonna get one too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And what's the progress on the car? On the what's it called? Where you at, man?
I should get it back from the frame shop Monday, and then I don't know if I'm gonna wrap it or if I'm gonna paint it.
Okay, wrap
But
the paint.
all the doors are pulled, the quarters put on.
I think you should wrap it because paint. No, I don't know. Wait a minute.
If I wrap it, I'm gonna put. It's gonna be red.
Yeah.
With wood grain on the sides. Like
Oh yeah, like you gonna
1979
make it
red.
like it. Like, oh, that would be.
But if I
Paint it, what you gonna do?
Candy apple red.
Damn. I think the wrap cheaper than that candy apple red,
It is
and you should be
cheaper.
just as happy.
It is cheaper, but I may get tired of that wood grain.
And
after
wood
a
grain. You
couple
can tell, but
months.
that's a good thing about
Like a
wrap.
red- yeah,
You can
peel
just
it off.
peel that part off and go back whatever color you want.
Yeah. I haven't decided. I gotta get it back home in my garage.
Yeah, and look at it, feel on it. Already. So an extra large and a small. I'll be right back, y'all. Damn, they gotta clean that shit up. I don't even know who. Hey, what's up with? Who?
Hats and shit.
Nah, I'm out of hats. I just ordered a new set of beanies. I just got the hoodies today. I got all sizes. You need medium or small? I got medium right here. See if that's it.
Me?
Yeah, see if that
Hey,
medium
will you
is.
bring another extra large, so a small and extra large?
Small and the extra.
For
They
me.
got okay, and then
So
plus
three.
they okay 3. Got you.
Okay.
1 small, 2 extra large.
3
Okay.
extra large. 3.
3? Okay.
Right? They want
They-
2 extra large?
they
or
only
just
wanted one.
Oh, okay, then 2.
2 extra large. Okay, so I need a small, extra large. Okay, let me see.
Oh, okay. Best of luck.
So 2 extra larges and 2 smalls. I got it. Damn, they done crowded up over here. 2 extra larges and 2 smalls, y'all. Well, y'all. Yeah, Trent already got one on. Yeah, what y'all want me to do? They supposed to be out Monday.
Your car for the T-shirt.
Oh. We took it off. Oh, it's over here. Yeah. So, do y'all want to stay live while they clean the track? Or, y'all want to come back later on? Hey, y'all, let's try to get 100 likes, man. We got 130 people watching. And we got 85 likes. Let's try to get them other 15 to come on. I'm here. Stay live and watch the hustle. Okay, they want to watch this hustle. Okay. I'm right here. I'm right here. Okay. Small. Yeah, this should be small right here. Okay, small. 2 smalls and 2 extra larges. Yeah. Small, extra large. Ooh, this is my last extra large.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that's good, but bad.
Yeah.
Small.
Let me see what the small look like.
Okay. Small right there.
Easy, hoodies right here.
Yeah.
You ain't got the stickers. You know all
Yeah.
the action about
Yeah, you can watch these. Oh, the sticker. I ain't bringing the sticker in there.
Man,
Y'all always, it was in the other car.
yeah, you think this me right here, huh?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it right there.
I feel like I got the new one in those.
Yeah, you got both of them.
Okay.
You got both
How
of
much
them.
each?
Yeah, well, you know my boy get the Christmas special.
Okay.
So I know he gonna hook it up, man. My boy be tipping too, y'all. He be tipping, y'all. That's my boy, man.
Hey, you spoke into existence right
See,
there, man.
I'm trying to.
You spoke into
trying to.
Merry Christmas to you.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, I bet he tipping for real, y'all.
Yeah.
I thought it was just for the camera.
Hey,
Huh?
I'm looking for stickers and
Yeah, I got the stickers coming. I already got them made. I'm getting some more made. Look at, I got the hoodies. I got the hoodies for you. Let me see what else I needed. I need a extra large. Damn, they finna, alright. Small. I'm out of large and extra large. Damn.
How much you sweater, bro?
30. Yeah, what size you need?
I think I'm extra large.
Extra large.
What kind of sweat you got?
I got the Lookout Racer.